What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading video. Today we have I'm watching coin. I traded coin last week, but it is gapping down again. Gap down this morning. I really don't know what it wants to do, but I guess I'll keep an eye on that. But I am specifically trading penny or small caps right now. The market just opened up. We're going to wait and see what pops up on my scanners. What becomes the obvious stock on the day? Let me see how coin opened up. Coin, big movement down out of the open. All right. Let's see. So I did split my scanners here. So I have my small cap scanner over here and then my large cap scanner over here, and just waiting to see what pops in. Okay, Apple just popped in. Don't really want to mess with Apple right now. CLOV, nice large cap stock going up there. What's the news on this one? GameStop shares rise, other Wall Street stocks mixed. Okay, so CLOV taking a little run up right there. It has a high up here of 1006. So I draw my resistance. I don't really see any other news that would interest me a lot. Okay, but CL coin pushing on down. Let's see what this one's doing. So what's the range on this one? It went from the 40s, so a 40-cent move from the bottom to the top. Just pushing out there. Nothing on my small cap scanner just yet. But CLOV. See if it breaks down VWAP of the 971. Broke down VWAP. Has a bottom down here of the 945. So that'll be our support. On the 5-minute, has a big topping tail out there on the on the 5-minute. Let's go ahead and close that off. All right, huge topping tail on the 5-minute. What else? Pushing down. Could not hold VWAP right there. Apple surging up. What's the news on Apple? Apple has graphic take 5. There's a lot of buzz news, updates, but nothing standing out to me right now. So we'll see what holds VWAP. AMC crashing. Riot not looking good on the daily chart. Mara. Ooh, Mara. Still not looking good on the daily chart. I don't like that. Got a lot of resistance above it. SPY, AMC. See if coin did a little rebound or no. So we're gonna see what reclaims VWAP. That's basically what I'm looking for. Apple is over VWAP, but it did do a pullback here and it's still pressing up. Pullback right here. It's just not moving a whole lot. It's starting to kind of slow down. So I would like to see some consolidation before I try to do anything with that. Still not seeing anything on my small caps. These are my criteria that I'm looking for the large caps. Pretty much very simple, not not at all like the small caps. Literally looking for things that are large cap with volume. All right, Apple's still trying to push up. Wanted to give us another red candle on the 1 minute. NIO gave a big run up, looking like it may be ready to push. We'll see if it can hold above this 5-minute red candle. The bottom of this candle is the 36.31. We want to see it hold out of this red candle. So I draw my support down here. 36.50 needs to hold that up. 36.50 right there. Back up to Apple. Are we still consolidating? Nope. Pushing up. Wow. Broke over that 134 and just kept going up to the 135. So a full dollar move right there. Take PLTR, Palantir. Fighting the trend line right there. I don't like that. I'm going to leave PLTR to itself. Hog. This thing's got to give a pullback at some point. Looks like it's finding a little bit of a top there. 334.99. Right across there, 335. It may push through it. Looking for some red motion through that 134, but it may push. Let's see if people get excited here. Finally giving the red. 134 needs to be the break point. 134.75 is probably where it's going to get attacked the most. That 75 break. 77, 76, 75. There it is. So it crunched through that. Gonna continue to watch it. This one's not getting that volume like that anymore. Alright. So the top of this one is the high of the 134. High of the 134.93. Looking for that 135. 135. Over here on the 5-minute, it does look a little bit weak, but I'm still looking for that 135.25. $26 for a small trade on that one, but it has not given a 5-minute pullback just yet, so it would be very extended if it does go. I don't know if I want to take it on this one. 134. Ooh, I might go ahead and take this one. It pops to that 35. Got up there to the high, bounced off of the 135. Will the shorts attack here? It did a double top here, so 34.98 is the double top. Can it snap through that? 34.98. Okay, it looks like it wants to. I don't like that motion right there. Even if it does go, I don't like that motion. Looking like the shorts are really getting heavy on it. The bottom here is the 134.76 once again. Looking real heavy right there at that 135. So I'm going to let that one play. Doing one more pullback. We got XLE, not looking good. GBTC fighting a major downtrend. HOG, HOG, what's the news on this one? Harley Davidson announces it will vigorously defend its position following blah, blah. Now, why is it defending a position? I don't know. We'll wait on that. P-Ton going down. I don't want to see these that have gone down. I want to see, let me change this. I don't want to see those. Let me change this to just 0. So we can pretty much see everything that's green on the day instead of that other stuff. Alright, Apple, NIO, still is it marching its way up? This is the one that I wanted. Okay. So it has a little tight range here, barely popped out of this 36.87, so it's going to be a dip buy. I'm going to have to buy like a dip like this to get in on it. XLE, can we get some dips above VWAP? Apple did go up there to that 35.20 25, which is where I wanted to enter. Top side of this high is at 135.28. 135.28 right there. It'll be just a couple of cents, so I'm not really into that. NIO looking good. All right, what's the top side of 37? Okay, let's look for an entry here. 37.50. And 37.51 is where I'm looking. 37.25, 26. What's the range on this one? 36.75 up to, okay. Can't really play with it. Finding a little bit of harshness right there. A little bit of shorting. Ooh. Love to buy a dip on this, but that breakout would be from the 36.95 up to the 09, 37. That's not a lot. I'm gonna have to hold one of these. That's what I'm gonna have to do. It's the only way. This is an order imbalance on X. AMD going down. NIO giving a nice little move to the downside. The top of this is a 37.05. 37.25. 37.25, 26 area. That's where I will be looking. Wish it would have went on this candle, but looking like it's gonna break down. What's the low of this? 36.85. Looking for it to hold up at 85. High is the 37 right there. 37.15. Okay. Is it gonna continue breaking down? Kinda. Alright, Apple, what are you doing? What are you doing? Apple continue trying to break out. The top is 135.34. It's looking like it's flatlining a little bit. Did form a little bottom down here. 135.20. Yeah. It's getting shorted heavily. The low of this is the 135.04. It may go red here. 135.05. Yeah, I don't like that setup. Alright, NIO. Back with it. Okay, so the top of this is the 37. 37.05. Why it got up there quick, didn't it? Alright, 37.05 is where I'm looking. Yep, I'll take 5 shares there on NIO if it can get up there. Now just follow VWAP. VWAP is at the 36.74. Okay, I'm in there. 36.74 will be my out. The top of this high is a 37.14. So I just let it follow by like $1. I guess that's $1. Put me a little trailing stop in there and say follow it by $1. And I will let that go. Alright, anyway, next thing we're looking at was Apple. And you'll be able to see my positions over here. Got in with 5 shares there. Apple is crashing. DraftKings. XLEX. XL. Okay, VXLE. That's not moving that much. Need some more volume out here. I don't know where NIO just went. So I had to select it over here. Okay. It is moving up. I'm just, that is a long follow off. Okay, I need to move that up a little bit on that trailing stop. Follow it by 50 cents. And that'll be nice. We'll follow by 50 cents. As long as it stays above VWAP, we're nice. See if it can push out of there. See if it can get past those 37.20s. Okay. AMD still going down. Okay, this one is trying to form a, it's kind of flat over the VWAP. We'll have to see what it wants to do. It did have a trend line that it looks like it's trying to break, but we'll have to wait for a pullback. It looks like it was trying to break that trend line right there. Okay. AMD. Looking around for some opportunity. And I'm sorry guys, for the most part I've been focusing on small caps, but I have been missing out on a lot of the opportunities of the large caps. Just, I don't know, just being, you know, just wanting to stick to one thing. But since the small caps still have not shown anything on the scanner, it's just like, why wait on it? You know what I'm saying? So I kind of started taking stabs at things that are a little bit more profitable for me right now in the moment. So NIO is up there quite a bit. Still have my trailing stop following it by 50 cents. We're going to see what it wants to do here. Soon it'll be a winning trade no matter what with that trailing stop. But we'll see. I don't know why it's not on my scanner anymore though. Go check. Or wait, was that it? You not know. Why is it not on my scanner? 2000. I don't know. Let me just get rid of these and see if it shows back up. Still don't see it. Where the heck is NIO? I don't know. Still going up though. We're just letting it play. Of course, it's going to form a new bottom at some point. Okay, now it's almost a winning trade no matter what. Once it crosses that my entry point of this 37.05, it's gonna be a winning trade no matter what. 37.50 getting challenged there. I don't understand why this is not on my scanner anymore. Maybe I need to decrease the price. Let's see. Price, last trade price. What do we want to make it? Between or less than, let's do 500 bucks. Less than 500 bucks. Still not there. Okay. Whatever. We're going to let it continue to push up, make us more money. It has a daily resistance up there to 39.45. So I'm just going to draw that in. It's up to the 50 right now. I want to see it make a new bottom and then push again. Or it can just push right now if it wants to, whatever it wants to do. I'm gonna do under 300 bucks. That might be more, a little bit better. Under 300 bucks. Less than 300. Still not there. Okay. What the heck, bro? All right. If you're using Charles Schwab, can you see that? Can you see NIO on your scanner? Because I cannot get it on my scanner for anything. Apple easing back up there. Don't know if I want to take a trade on that with that kind of build that it has. I'm up almost 50 cents right now. I may actually I'm looking for this thing to break this 37.54, but I don't know. We're just gonna let it play, and it's almost to a winning trade no matter what situation. Let's see if it breaks it. 53s. Can we see the 55s? All right. Getting a little bounce down right there. Can we see those 55s here? I think I'm gonna ease my market cap down as well, because these are some very large market caps. See if I can capture it then. See, my market cap right now is greater than or equal to, let's put a between. What was one of the ones on there? Between, okay, still not big enough. I don't even know what the market cap size is then. Greater than or equal to results. Okay, 2252 billion. I might just leave it like it is right now. I don't care, man. I'm in the green, just waiting for this thing to push out of this level. Comes back too low, I'll be out. But just waiting right now for consolidation above the 37. Can it break out of this flat top? 350, 37.55 is the resistance. Will it break the 37.25? 28, 27. Okay, back up to the 30s. Can it hold those 30s? It might be to the backside of the move now. Looking for the new bottom. If it stops me out, I'm all good anyway. I'm right 50 cents away. Ooh, broke the 20s. Sitting right at the 37. Pulling back up there to the 25s. We want to see it get back above this level here. The high is the 35. Don't know if it can. Looking for that 35 push. Looking for that 35 push. That was a little bit. Now we saw the 28 right there very quickly. Can we stay over the 25? There's the 25. Can we crack that 25 and see 26? Nope, we can't. Can we see it go back up a little bit? I may have to cancel this and move it directly onto VWAP. VWAP is at the 37. It's not pulling back up. So we're about to get stopped out if it can't pull back up. 37, 3709s. Super extended. Can we get a green? All right, we're out right there, break even. Very nice stop out point. All right, so let's see if we can get back in for another ride here. Now this 5 minute definitely came down a lot more than I thought it was. It rolled all the way down. Bouncing off of VWAP right now, looking for that break of the 37.25, back over the 37.25, but that 5 minute looks disgusting. Apple did run up a little bit, but failed out from a 34.40 cents of running, then down. Cisco, what are you doing out here? Barely getting any trades on it. Doesn't look good. You know what? I think I know what I need to do for these. On my criteria, I need to say I want things above 1%, above 1%, and that should do it. There it is. There it is. Above 1%. Got it. Okay. So here are my criteria for my large caps. I'm looking for things over 1% with the volume and the market cap. I definitely made a pretty good bit on that NIO run. I did not take profit because I was in so small. The profit was minuscule on those 5 shares, literally. But I did stop out exactly break even, I believe. No, I lost 1 cent, 1 cent on that. So this is a red day. 1 cent red day right now. Looking for another entry. X is still working its way up. Or no. Oh, how's it green? What? Alright, Tilray going down. Tigger, however you say that. Let me see if NIO can it needed to get back across this 9 EMA. Now it's kind of looking weak. All of these moves were kind of battling on top of the 9 EMA, and now it's going down. So definitely lost interest in that. Apple. If you guys have traded anything today, let me know what you traded. And did you trade large caps? Did you find a small cap to lose money on? Because the small caps, I mean, not one small cap has touched my scanner. Now, it may be a scanner issue, I don't know, but I even moved my price down to 10 cents. I'm looking for anything 10 cents. Oh my gosh, that's why. All right, let's go to less than. How'd that get switched to equal to? I don't know. Volume, shares outstanding, 25. All right. Still though, what's going on out here? AMBO. So it was a scanner setting that was off. AMBO would have lost money in that. KNL would have lost money in that. Recaf maybe would have lost money in that. So still, I'm glad I didn't trade those. 10 cents. All right. KNL. What was the news on these? AMBO trash partnership with Amazon in artificial intelligence. But why the big drops if it's with Amazon? It should be going straight up. KNL news merger investigation. No, I'm good. Right. So yeah, none of that. All right, CLOV. Found a little bottom there. Needs to get back above VWAP. NIO. Still fading, looks like. All right. We're looking for something that's going back and challenging those highs. This one has 289 as the top for resistance up here. 289 for the top. So I want to see it get into the 290s and hold up there. Make sure there's no other criteria that are off. Nope, looks like we're good to go. Has a support down here of the 247, 250 area. Right down here. Has a very tight range and it's not respecting VWAP because it's just crossing back and forth. CLOV. What happened to NIO? Wow, NIO is done. I guess on bigger size I would have had a better trade there, especially being up 56 cents on that. But literally with 5 shares, it was just a couple of cents. So I wasn't about to take that. I'd rather just get stopped out on a play like that. Okay, 260 getting touched. Can we stay above? Can we form a new high, a new low? 256. Form a new low and then get above VWAP. Recap still making moves up. This bottom is the 810, or not bottom but support is the 810. Things are starting to slow down now, just a little bit. Okay, let's see if you can get back above the VWAP. VWAP 270 is looking like the break spot for this one. So I put a resistance right there, the 270s. Oh, who is texting me at this point. Alright, so let's get ready for a 270. I wonder, can it push those 270, 275? Switch back over to the stops. 276 for a quick take up to the top. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. I don't know if I can do stops on this one yet. Let me try a stop real quick. So if I try to buy at $20, okay, it did let me do that. So 276. VWAP is at the 68. So yeah, I'm going to buy at the 76 if it can pop up there, and I let my let this bottom here of the 256 be the bottom. Let's see what it wants to do. $276. That'll be a 20-cent risk. Do I want to do that or do I want to wait? Bottom of this candle low is a 65. Looking like it's filling out anyway. $256, I'll be out. Got plenty of volume behind it. Just needs to pop that 70. Looks like it double topped right there. Yeah, 270 is where it double topped just then. So I am looking, this bottom low is a 63, so I'm putting it at the 60 for out if it does get me in. Do not like how it's acting around this VWAP. If it breaks the bottom, I'm gonna cancel the order. Yep, cancel that last order, and I'll just wait. KNL pushing up there as well. CLOV, WFC. Wow, that was a big run up. Well, not really. That's a 20-cent run up. Tilray. Alright, so I see it getting on up. Let's see. We can get an explosion through that 270, 271. It just does not look like it wants to give it to us. I may have to back off and do a 280, 281, because 270 is just too aggressive. Has a little bit of a trend here. right through there. So right at that 81 is where it needs to break. I'll wait. Don't see anything in the large caps that are giving any moves. Getting paranoid about my criteria, trying to make sure I didn't make any mistakes here. Yeah, I think I'm good. All right. Okay, so we hit 67 there. It just continues to march its way up. That 70 break. It's looking like the spot to be. 79, 70, 80 mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the 281. 281 up there. Yeah. 281. If it can get me in, I'll be in right there. The low of this is a 66. I'll do a 64 right below it. How much red will it show? Will it bounce all the way down red? Let's see if it can hold up that 75. Okay, I'm in there. Got my out down there on the bottom of that candle. May come and just stop me completely out. I was looking for a little bit more of a push. May or may not get it. It's right on the trend line. Needs to break into those 80s. I am okay if I get stopped out here though. It's whatever. That'll be back under VWAP. Looking for the 80 break. See if we can get it. 79s. Can we get the 80 snap through here? 64 is where I'm holding. Okay. May get stopped here. Bounce off of the VWAP. Can it get back up? We don't know. 70s got to stay above that 70 level. 73s not looking good right there. We'll see. Getting a little snap right there. AMBO giving us the moves today. This is our new bottom, this low of the 66 where I had it at first, but I moved it down just a bit. So this is our new bottom here. This is where I will be getting out. 66. It comes and crashes this bottom, it's over. It did double top there, which is not a good sign. The high is the 88. It needs to break the 88. 82s. Looking to take off the high. If it can break that 89 level, that's where I'm looking to take. 83s. Okay. Nice. Can we get up through there though? Shorts are heavy right there. If the shorts get knocked right there, that's gonna be a big move up. Okay. Nice. Oh my gosh. Time I canceled the order. Come on, bro. Gotta push a little bit. So this is the new bottom. I'm sitting right under the VWAP. It looked like it wanted to push. Hopefully we can get a big move out of this. If not, I'll just get stopped out here. 75s. Need to get back into those 80s. Need to see the 81. Saw the 81 quickly, went away quickly. 81s. Can we break out? Need to see the 81s, 82s. Alright, this may stop me out here. It's looking way weak. For those 81s, 82s to stick around. '82s. Can we see the '83s? I'm gonna make this the new bottom. If it can push up, this low is a 275. I'm gonna have to be trying to get out here. 275. Looking for it to push up just a bit. If not, I'll be out. Needs to push over the 275 here. Getting a couple pops, not ripping though. Alright, so we have a new bottom of the 70. Oh, come on, bro. You almost, come on, give it to me. Alright, so the new bottom is looking like the 75. Being very, very patient. I mean, I don't know if I can be more patient than this. 85s. If it breaks that top right there, we're probably going to the moon a little bit. The high is the 90s. Okay. Can we get this push out? Will not push out for anything in the world. Okay. Can we break that 90? We got up there a little bit, but can we break the 90? 75 is now the new, pretty much becoming the new out. This bottom low 75, yep. Cannot move it yet though. 53s. Can we get that push out of there? All right, so this is the new low, that 75. This was a red candle here. Hopefully it doesn't come down and take that out. But that 75 is definitely looking like the wow. It may have gotten me out right there, possibly. Maybe it didn't. Pulled back up. I guess it didn't. It almost got me out there. See if it can revisit those highs. So what's the bottom low of the 68? 68. Put the 68 there. I have to be out there. If it comes back down there, it's just too much. It's probably gonna stop me out here. It's okay. Got my out ready to go, so 80s, 82s. Cracked it a little bit, did not break. Okay. So the top of this is the 285 there. 285, I'll add 25 shares. Oh, did I get it? No. 285, I'll add up there if it can push. Okay, got in there just right there. And I'm looking for an out down here on the 75. 75 for those 50 shares. Okay, can I not sell? Come on, let me exit. Selling a little bit up there, just in case it doesn't want to be friendly. Looking for a push up to the $3. Taking some right there. 30 shares left. Taking a little bit more. Taking some off. Taking a lot off. Don't trust it anymore. Yep, all out right there. Did not like that top until it just formed. Even if it continues to go out, it's okay. Kind of looking weak right there, so didn't want to give it my money back. $3 level. Yeah, that's not looking good at all right there. Will it hold up this low of the 289, 293s? Top side of this is the $3 break. $3. Size down. 30. Oh my Jesus. That was a small breakout. I'm not impressed. At least it didn't just run off without me. Yeah, I'm not impressed with that breakout of the $3. Alright, so I got 200 bucks left. Anything else out here looking enticing? If not, I'm okay with walking away with the green day. I looked through pretty much everything and nothing's really meeting my criteria anymore. VIPs. News today, no news. Not gonna worry about that. GameStop edging up. The AMBO ended up going down. It did. So now let's look at another entry here. This high is the 287. It just bounced off of VWAP. 291 is where I'm looking. 291. But it is in this 5-minute downtrend, so it's definitely going to have to get to that 290, maybe 296 level. 296. So let's see if it can work its way up there. If not, it's whatever. This is a dead cat bounce anyway. Speaking of, that means I need to cancel this order and let this dead cat bounce first. 286 is the high right now. 10 seconds left on the clock. 286, 291 break. Very quick little take through the 91. The low of this is the 84. Alright, I'm ready to get out at the 84. Down here, looking to take some off. Looking to see where this one ends. Can we push up a little bit more? It's got a big wick down here. I would love to see it stay above and maybe challenge the highs maybe a little bit. This 94, if it can get above 94, I'm looking to take. So that is our resistance right now, that 94 that I want to take it. Can it get above that 94? Ooh, quick destruction right there. Looking for that 94 pop. Come on. Oh, come on. Push that 94. Alright, gotta put it back at the 87. If it gets me out there. I was looking for that 95 pop, 95 challenge. 87. 91. 92s. Get that pop, and I'm ready. It's not giving us the pop there. Okay, nice. All right, can we get the 80? Okay, come on now, come on, dude. What are you doing? I gotta be out. I'm gonna put that in there because it wasn't letting me sell right there. The top of that is a $3, so I don't know about that break now. I may have to go ahead and get out because of the way it just did me. Okay, took some there. Took some there. Took some there. Nice, nice moves right there. Taking 5 shares left. Can we get one more push up? Ooh, didn't like that. Didn't like that. Can we get that one more, that one last push up? Take off some here. It's taking a lot of time. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this one. Alright, so that's a little bit more profit. Let it pull back a little bit. Alright, so AMBO did give us some moves today. KNL still looking weak. So we'll stick with AMBO. Nothing on the large cap is showing me anything. I don't want to buy right now. I'm gonna let this consolidate. And let's go and look at something else. STL. Anything over here looking crazy? VIPS. Way too extended. AMC. Alright, nothing over there is looking good. Let's go back over to AMBO. Did get that little stop point. Like I said, I wanted to see some consolidation here. The top of this is the 315, so 315 will be the next entry. 316. Ooh, do not like that setup. Gapped up a little bit too high up there. See if we can hold up this 303 here. 303 level is our support. Looking for it to bounce on that 303 level from the 5-minute. Top side is the high of the 315, so we're looking for a 316 break. See how this candle closes. $317 is it? 318. So 318, we're gonna go ahead and get that. If it can get through the 318. If it fails, let's see if it fails that out. Stayed above there. So 305 is our new out point. I just don't see it. See if it breaks down. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna cancel that order. We'll let that one close up. Wow, NIO just continued to fade throughout the day. Glad that I got out of that one when I did. KNL just not moving much. All right, so now we have a 315 break that we need to see. 316 break. And the bottom here is the 305. Getting kind of tight right there. I'm gonna cancel that order. Yeah, could not get up there to my to where I was trying to get in, so oh well. I think these scanners that I'm working with now are pretty well adept now to giving me what I'm looking for. All right. AMBO did go down, tap that 293. It's below the, or it's getting back above the 9 right now. Let's see what else it wants to try to do. Can it hold up that 9 of the 303? Okay, 316 coming back into play. 316. We'll just let this be the bottom of that breakout. 317, 318 breakout. It's not letting it live there. Let's see if it crashes at 294. Okay, looking again at the 318. Right, 318. Trying it again, huh? Let's do that 318 buy, and we'll be out down here to 299 or the $3. Looking for the snap through and quick sell. It's looking heavy. 305. Let's decrease that a little bit. Decrease that loss. Okay, got in there. Be out at the 305. If it wants to fill out. If it can continue, I'll take off through the 20s. Looking for that 20 break. Not gonna get it. Stopped out here. But it looked like it was gonna stop me out 305. Another break over the 16 I'll add. Got my add point right there. Okay. $305 out with 15 shares. I believe I have 305. So 15. Whoa. Cancel the last one. At 305, I'll sell out. If it comes back down, we want to see a push here. Push the highs of the 1920s, I'll be taking off. Ooh, that was a big move down. Come on. Push off of there. Get them out of there. Just a quick push and I'll be taking. Come on, get it. It's cracking it. Shorts are not giving up though. Looking for a push into the 20s. Okay. Small push there. I took a bit. Oh, that was a small push. Okay. 310. I have to go ahead and get everything out. Past the 310, I got to get out. Come on. Give us that move. It's not giving it to us. Can it pop up? Stay above the 10. Can we get the 20s or no? Looking like it's gonna fail out here. So let's get ready for an exit. Looking real heavy. One quick launch up is all we need. The low of this is a 314, which will be the new low. Doesn't look like it's gonna allow me to get there. Got bought up right there. This new low is 11. I mean, it's right on my stop out. If it can get back through the 15, I'm looking to take. 15s just popped up. All right, I'm out right there. Whatever, we'll take that. Big move after that. Look at that. Is that what you really want to get caught in? Absolutely not. Big move down there. Let's go check everything else. Okay, AMC is really making me mad. I'm looking for, let's do a breakout on the 970, 971. AMC. $971, giving us a nice little pullback here for entry. This one closed red. I'll definitely be in there on that 971. It'll be my last trade of the day. High is the 67. Did I get 10 shares of that? No, 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 no. Let's not do 10 shares. How much can I get for 100? $9, $9.71. Okay, I can't get 10 shares. What was the news on AMC today? Does it have news to push? GameStop rise, entertainment holding. Not the greatest news. I think I'm gonna leave that alone and not be foolish today. 305. Okay, it did push back up. Got a little flat top here. So we want to see it over. Ooh, needs to do a pullback real quick if it can. 319, 320 area, 321. I don't want to get snatched in right here. Let's see a pullback. It's got a nice little bottom form though. What's that pullback? Need to see some red on the chart here. Getting bought up right there. The top side of this is 310. Need to see some red. Ooh. Alright. Top side is 310. We wanted to see red, did not see it. So it kind of broke my plan. It may go though. High is 310, 310. Waiting. Yeah, there's the red. Finally at the wrong time. Okay. AMC fading. PBR. Yeah, I don't see anything else that's moving right now. And I just realized we have reached almost 10 o'clock. So I may take one more swing. Let's see, 310. It really needs to get through that 315, 316 area. If it breaks the 294, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Let's see. At 109 bucks, I was looking for at least one more trade. I started today with 500 bucks, so smaller account. The other side is a bit bigger, so really just taking what the market can give me. Looking like it wants to break down that 294. Little dead cat bounce right there off that level again. So it has a trend now that it needs to break out of. Right there. Yep, AMC is dead. PBR is dead, so nothing on that side. All right. Anyway, while it's doing all that, let's look at the realized gains and losses. So I had three losing exits on AMBO. On NIO, I got stopped out, and then on AMBO again. And then for the most that I pulled off was a 20-cent win today on AMBO. Matter of fact, all of my wins were on AMBO. So actually, NIO, I was in the profit like what, 50 cents, but the profit was so small, I just let it just stop me out. As my account grows, I'll be able to take bigger share size of those more expensive stocks over here on the scanner over here. Breaking down that 294 big right there. So it's getting pushed down by this trend line. And yeah, so that is my trading for today. I am done for the day. I'm not gonna risk. I'm trying to build my account back up. I lost a good bit of it over trading, so I got to stick to my rules. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. If you enjoy, make sure you hit the like, and I'll let this $100 roll over into the other account, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.